Hey, it's Deb, My Maine Gardens. Happy Friday. Happy 1st of September. It's like, where did August go? I know. It's a beautiful, like, perfect day in Maine, and it's time for whatever that was. Favorite Flower Friday. And every Friday I like to bring you my favorite flower, and I have been waiting to talk about my hibiscus, and this was the week it bloomed, and it's amazing. If you have a hibiscus in your garden, please share a photo. We want to see it because they're so beautiful. I planted this about 3 years ago, and a couple of lessons I've learned if you would like to plant a hibiscus in your garden. They like sunshine, and they're late bloomers, aren't we all? By the way, I did not intend for my lipstick to match the flowers. I just noticed that. You're welcome. Anyhow, they are late bloomers, and that's what I love about them. This time of year, when a lot of things are going by in the garden, these are something I look forward to every year. The blooms don't last a really long time, but boy, are they gorgeous. I'm going to give you a little close-up tour, and there are so many blooms coming. The best piece of advice I received when growing hibiscus from my friend at Sprague's Nursery, who sold this one to me, he said, don't have a panic attack in the spring when the rest of your shrubs are starting to wake up and you see growth coming. You won't see growth on this one for a while. And he's absolutely right. So for a long time in the spring, there's just sticks. But then all of a sudden, it starts to come and grow, and this one is so healthy. What do I do with this one? In the spring, I always zhuzh a little organic granular fertilizer around the shrub. Then a couple of times this season, I've added a little fish soluble, oh my gosh, try saying that, fertilizer. I can't tell you the schedule. It's kind of been, oh, let's throw a little bit on there. I don't know. It's working. And then after this goes by in the fall, I will cut it back and leave some of the major stalks. So I love my hibiscus. It just brings me joy, and I love that I can grow this very tropical plant here in Maine with success. So I hope you have good plans or fun plans for the weekend. This will be a fun weekend for us. We're heading down to the coast. My brother is here with my mom. They just drove up from New Jersey today, and my brother's boys just drove up from New Jersey as well because they're returning to college here in Maine. They both go to Colby. Both of my nephews, my brother's boys, are at Colby, which is really cool. It's like 45 minutes from where I live. And we're having a lobster bake on Sunday, so that will be fun. So I'm looking forward to that, and I hope you have some fun plans for the weekend. And thank you for hanging out with me in my Maine Gardens on this beautiful September 1 with my favorite flower pick of the week, hibiscus. I'll just give you a little tour and then wish you well. Thanks for hanging out with me. Talk soon.